Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can install Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL. For this, what we require is Windows 10 64-bit and we require Windows version 1607 or above. So let's first check that we have Windows 10 1607 or above, and as well as we'll check whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. So first thing that I'm going to do is if you go to run, you can go to run by pressing start key and R key. This will open up the run window. In this you can type WinVer, which is Windows version, and if you press enter, this will open up this window, and you can see here it shows my version as 1903, which is above 1607. So yes, I can install it, but let's also have a look at it whether I have Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit. So if I go to this PC, right click on it and go to properties, you can see that it says system type 64-bit. So yes, I have 64-bit Windows 10 as well as the version is above 1607. So now let's see how we can install it. Let's say if you don't have 1607 or above, you can do Windows update, and that will update your Windows to newer versions. Okay, now let's see how we can install Windows Subsystem for Linux. So it's very easy. All you have to do is go to start and type turn Windows features on or off, or you can also go to settings and then go to Windows features on or off. So once you are in turn Windows feature on or off, scroll down and you will see Windows Subsystem for Linux. Tick mark this, so tick this and click OK. So what this is going to do is it is going to install Windows Subsystem for Linux on your system. Once it is installed, this may take a little bit time, but let's say once this is installed, it will ask you to restart the system. So yes, do restart it so that it installs it. So I'll restart my system and we will catch back in a while once the system has been restarted. Welcome back. So now we have Windows Subsystem for Linux installed. So machine has been restarted. Now let's see how we can install Linux on this. So for this, you have to go to Microsoft Store. So you can go to start and search for store, or you will be able to see it on the start screen itself. So once you are in the Microsoft Store, search for Ubuntu. So I will install Ubuntu on this system. So once you search for Ubuntu, you will see three options: Ubuntu 18.04, 16.04. So I'm going to select 18.04. Okay, once you select 18.04, click on install. So this will start installing. Basically it will first download it and then it will install it. So downloading is done, installation is also done. So you can launch it by clicking on launch here. But let's say if you close this and you want to know how to open it, you can go to start and then you will be able to see Ubuntu, or you can also type Ubuntu here and it will show you that application. So click on this and this is now going to install it. This will take few minutes. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. What you need to also what you are actually seeing is not a full-fledged Linux, kind of like that, yeah, but it's not an entire Linux that you are getting it here. You can do many things in this, but not everything. Like graphics is there, but it's very limited. You can install X11 server, you can do various things, but you can't do everything in it. But it's really great if you want to run Linux applications on your Windows system. You can do that from here. Okay, so now it's installed. Now it is asking me to select a Unix username, so I'm going to give it a name, my username, and a password. Yeah, so I have everything done. So yes, you can see the Linux is there. I can run Linux commands like ls. You can see all my directories, Linux directories over here. You get nano as well, an editor, curl, GCC, pretty much everything. So yes, it is a Linux running on Windows. Another thing what I would like to also show you, that you don't require to open this all the time. Let's say if you want to run any of the Linux command from the command prompt, all you have to do is just type WSL, and let's say you want to run GCC, so type WSL GCC, and it will basically try to run it from Linux. Similarly, WSL ls, if you do it, it will show you this. So it pretty much works really nice. So yeah, that's about it on how to install WSL. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please like this, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching this video.